Hey, how you doing? My name is Erik. I am the CEO of Amumbi LLC. I'm currently using Zonbase to run my business and to help me get started. They've also got plenty of things that can help you through the process of running your business. So currently, I'm also using the services of Doc Dragon. They've helped me pick a supplier so to manufacture my product. They're currently in China. I like the services of Doc Dragon because, first of all, the language barrier of my manufacturer being in China helps a lot. I've got a guy working on that, and he's able to, speak Chinese and relay it back to me. I think the services have been running really smooth. I've ran into an issue of, some COVID restrictions in China with the manufacturers. They've had to shut down. But, through the process, Dr. Dragon was able to guide me through it. And, they were super resourceful and letting me know exactly day to day what was going on with the manufacturer and when China was going to open up to continue the production of manufacturing my product. I'm currently at the process of getting the 30% of my products inspected. Looking forward to doing the rest, paying for the rest of the 70% to get it done, send it to the Amazon warehouse. Um, but other than that, everything's been perfect. I really enjoy the services and I look forward to using their services in the future. So thanks for everything, Doc Dragon, and I hope that whoever watches this video, uh, I'm recommending that they use their services and it's going to run really smooth. Thanks.